This is NUBIA Focus Pro, and today I'll show how you can fix overheating problems on this device. So I recommend that you start by learning how to prevent overheating, since preventing an issue is a way more effective method to deal with it than fixing it after it has already occurred. So the first advice that I have is that you do not expose your device to the direct sunlight for extended periods of time, pretty much. So if you use your device outdoors, so you take it out of the pocket, do some stuff you need to, and then you place it back into your pocket, that's fine. The thing that I mean here, or that I'm talking about, is when you are leaving your phone laying around somewhere. Make sure that it stays in a shadow, or even better, just covered by bag or whatever is the cover you would like to use. Another advice that I have is that you do not overcharge your battery. So once you charge your device, make sure to use manufacturer recommended charging rates and charging equipment specifications. So do not overcharge your battery. Then you can also go into your device's settings, enter the battery category, and switch on the power saver to help your device to cool itself down a little bit faster. Or if you would like, you are ready to sacrifice more functionality in the sake of, reducing the device temperature, you can even enable the ultra power saver if needed, of course, since both those features really limit the functionality of your device, but at the same time the processing speed reduces, so the electrical output reduces, so does the temperature. That's how it works generally. And I guess as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.